Good morning. I wanted to go over the basics of Thrive and how to order and auto ship. So I'm going to read from you a little clip that I have about Thrive. And this is what it says. What is Thrive? Thrive is a supplement that gives the body what it needs in its purest and rawest form. Thrive by Le-Vel is an overall health supplement with a major focus on easing body discomforts as well as providing cognitive support, mental clarity, and aiding in weight loss. Okay, it says that we have hundreds of testimonies from people who have successfully used Thrive to feel relief from discomfort and chronic fatigue, to manage headaches, to obtain mental clarity, to provide support for joints and lean muscles, as well as for improved digestion and stronger immune system, and to provide anti-aging and antioxidant support. This product provides a stable all-day level of natural energy and mental clarity via our patent-pending DFT. And they offer significant weight loss benefits as well. Thrive is an all-natural, created from food and plant-based ingredients to provide your body with incredible amounts of vitamins, minerals, extracts, probiotics, and more. Okay, so if you are thinking about trying Thrive or you want to sign up for Le-Vel, I will put my link down below. It's a customer referral link. I am not a promoter, although once you sign up under me, you will have my promoter, which she is awesome. She runs a thriving community on Facebook. She's big on Instagram. She has lots of knowledge on digestion, weight loss, Thrive, you name it. She makes it a point every day to do at least an hour of research every day on benefits of what this can do for your body. So let's say you sign up, you make a free customer account, okay, and you want to get the best value for your money. You then want to go to our website, click the referral link that I gave you, make a free customer account. When you get on there, the website isn't so user-friendly. It's a little hard. When I first went on there, I couldn't figure out how to order. I was looking and looking. You can click on the experience packs, nothing pops up, blah, blah, blah. So if you can't figure it out, click on the little shopping cart up in the top right corner. It'll say place an order, okay? Once that pops up, okay, now it's going to make me put in my username. Hang on. Click on place an order. The first tab you're going to see is going to say Thrive Experience Packs. You're going to click on that. You're going to see numerous options. A 2-week option, that's $100. 4-week option, $150. So right there, would you rather spend $200 a month on it, or would you rather spend $150? So right there, you get a savings if you purchase the 4-week. If you purchase the 4-week on auto ship, you get an extra box of Lifestyle Mix free. So you get 30-day women's capsules or men's. You get 2 boxes of the Thrive Lifestyle Mix, or 2 canisters. And then you get a 30-pack of DFTs. I would suggest your first month sticking with one of the basic DFTs. And then if you feel like you need more, then you can upgrade to one of the premium ones. You can add those onto your 4-week experience for an extra cost. Okay, so right now it'll make you choose, and you choose men's or women's capsules, and you click next. Then you choose which flavor Lifestyle Mix you want, or if you want one of each, it'll let you choose that. Single serve or packages. And then it'll let you choose a DFT, and you can choose green, IM, chic, or purple. After that, say after your first month and you do auto ship, you can always go in there and edit your auto ship. You can end your auto ship. You can change it. A lot of people don't feel comfortable leaving their credit card in a website, so after my order comes, I remove my credit card and end the auto ship, and then when I'm ready to order again, I will put my information back in. It's easy to manage, it's easy to do, it benefits you and it benefits the person that you're ordering from. Okay, So after your first month, or if you want to start off big, you go right ahead. I started off big. I ordered my first month with Black Label. So I paid an extra $14 for the Black Label. And then I ended up trying Ultra and the White Label on a sale because they have sales all the time. So I got a BOGO sale and I ended up getting a stockpile of those. Laval always has sales. It seems like they fall on holidays that have a 3-day weekend or any special occasion holiday. They'll have some kind of sale. So you definitely can stock up on those sales if you like. That way you're not always spending $150 a month. You definitely can work it. I only paid full price 1 month. So Duo Burn, for instance, is $40 extra. So that would take your pack up to $190. I can give you $25 off your first month. That will take it down. If you email me after you make your customer account, I will have my promoter apply $25 on your account. Okay? So don't be fearful of the auto ship, honestly. It'll benefit you. And then each month when you go in there, you can change it around. You can swap flavors, whatever you like. Okay, let me think. Anything else I didn't go over? I think that's it. Yeah, just email me and I'll put my customer referral link. If you're skeptical or you're on the fence, just make an account. It'll sit there. I can add you to the Facebook group and you can get some support and information before you purchase if you want, okay? But you definitely don't just want to start off with one step. That would be like you making a pot of coffee in the morning, and if it calls for 1 cup of coffee, you put in a fourth. You're only going to get a fourth of what you put in out, okay? So if you want 100% of the benefits, jump in. It averages out to be about $5 a day when you break it down, because you might think that price is big, like $150. I don't know if I could spend that. Honestly, it's $5 a day. I stopped drinking coffee when I got this package, and I spent $5 a day on coffee every day when I went to work. I stopped at Starbucks and got a coffee. So in reality, I'm saving that money from coffee for myself, to better myself, to make myself feel better. I'm going to tell you the benefits that I feel so far. Okay, I've been on this 11 weeks. About a week in, I noticed that I was sleeping better. About 2 weeks in, my knees started not hurting as much when I was walking or working out. And I didn't get the all-day energy. I didn't nap, okay, after work or feeling drained like I normally was, run down. I didn't nap anymore, but it was in between week 6 and week 7 that it was like a spark went off in my brain, in my body. And I got up, took my 3 steps, went about my day. I was cleaning the walls in my bathroom and the baseboards. I had nonstop energy. So from that day on, it's been steady. And it's not like jolty, jittery energy. It's natural. It's like, this is how you're supposed to be, I guess, because you're supposed to want to do things. Even though I didn't for a long time, I just felt like I was dragging. And I eat properly, I eat the right foods, but your body still lacks nutrition. Can you eat 10 cups of spinach a day? No, to get that nutrition. So you need it somewhere. And I don't know, I did some research after watching some videos and decided, you know what, you're worth it. Jump in, try it. If you don't like it, I told myself, try it out for 8 weeks. It's called the 8-week experience. Try it for 8 weeks. If it doesn't work for you, then that's it. Because I was a skeptic. I'm like, I think these people are full of it. Everybody's thriving. They're feeling this, they're feeling that. Try it out for yourself and see, what do you have to lose? So I tried it. And 1 week before my 8 weeks was up, that energy hit me. So thankfully, it worked on me, and I hope if you sign up, it will work for you. It might work for you quicker. It might take longer. It all depends on each person's body and what their nutritional gaps are and what lacks in their body. So I feel like we're all here to help each other, and if you need a little help along the way, I'm here. All right. Bye, guys. Have a good day.